Hello guys, myself Dinesh from BOL7 and today I am going to tell you about our amazing AI tool, image generation. You must have used many such tools in the market and what usually happens with them. You have to go to different places for different tasks. For example, to write prompt, you use one website and for images you use another tool. But with our AI tool, you can do everything in one place. For instance, if you want to write a prompt, our tool gives you support for the prompt. You can do it right there. After that, you can directly use our AI Studio feature to imagine from there. And for images, it also gives you the option to select multiple models. It includes Nano, Banana, GPT, Grok, and other professional models as well. You can use those too. And for prompts, you can use multi-AI chat. Inside this, you also get the option to select multiple models. If you want to write a prompt, then in this you get with different models, you can generate different variants. Guys, let's start the tutorial. For image generation, first of all, we need a professional prompt with which we can create a great image. So that's why we'll first go into the multi-AI chat. From there, we'll select the models that we want to add. For example, as I have done here, it has GPT 5.4 and another model that I've added for a month. So for now, we'll proceed with these two models. After selecting the model, here we'll enter the details like what type of graphic you want to create, what its color should be, what its typography should be. We'll input those things here. Then we'll update our prompts in this section. For example, if I want to create a graphic for a political letter, I've already written the heading and whatever content or headline is needed. I just copy it, paste it here, and then proceed. Now, it will take a little time and then it will generate a professional prompt for us here. For example, if we've written using two models, it will give us prompts from different modes, and whichever one we like, we can use that one. So, for 2 months, we have two prompt variants. The first one is from GPT 5.2 and the second one is from the Grok. See, this one is from the Grok, so I'll use the first one. I'll copy the GPT one like this, then go back. Now I've come into the studio. Then here we'll get three options, one for voice, one for image, and one for video. So we'll click on the image option, then here we get the image type. In image type, the first is generate image, second is edit existing image, and third is enhance image. Since we want to create a new image, we'll click on the first one, then we'll select the model. Inside the model, you can also select multiple models. For example, right now I use GPT Image 2, Grok, and Nano Banana Pro. I use these three, and by using these three, I'll show you. That's it for the job, and then below that you have the option to choose the image size, what size you want. For example, whether you want it in vertical, portrait, square, or landscape mode, whatever you need. You can select your size from here according to your requirements. For example, I'm choosing portrait mode. Alright, then you have the option to set the image quality, what quality you want for your image. For example, whether you want 1K, 4K, 2K, or whatever you prefer, you can select it from here. So right now I'm selecting 2K quality. After that comes the preset option, which is optional. If you want to give it, you can. If not, you can skip it as well. So right now I'm setting it to photorealistic, and below that there are more options provided. There are also options for cartoon, sketch, pictures, alert, and more. They've provided all these and you can use them. After that comes the reference image option. If you have any reference image, like if you've seen a banner and you want to create something according to that banner, whether it's a political letter or anything else, whatever you like, if you think your image should be in that style, you can provide that as a reference image here. Along with that, if you want to add any logos or anything else to the image, you can upload those images here as well. Now in the reference image section, whatever I want to add, like if I want to add a photo of Modi ji and his logo, I'll select and add Modi ji's photo and the logo here. After that, I'll go to the front. Now the prompts that were written in multi-chat AI stock, I'll paste the best ones here. We've used an excellent option here. Just like when you give a direct product, the quality is fine, but if you want even better quality, you can click on prompt enhance. This will make your prompt even better and the quality will improve even more. So I'm going to click on this. If you don't use it, you won't get that result. After that, by enhancing the prompt, it will create an excellent prompt for you, which will make your image look professional. Otherwise, we just enhance it. Next comes the variant option. How many variants of the image you want. If you select one and choose 3 models, it will generate 1 image from each model. If you select 2, it will generate 2 images from each supermodel. So right now, I'll keep it at 2 pages. It will generate a total of 6 images for us. Then we hit enter. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes and we'll get the output just as we wanted. The images have come, but if I want to make any changes to these images, I can regenerate them to make changes. Otherwise, if I'm having trouble with any text, I can edit the text here and make changes. For example, if I want to remove the UPA lines or if there's any issue with the text, I can remove it like this and then save it here and it will change that text again. For instance, if I want to remove this Delhi Metro, I'll click here, save it and then regenerate it. So if you want to change the text, you can change it in the text section. You won't have to regenerate the entire image. Yes, see, it's nothing. You just removed that thing and changed it in the image for me, so I like this image here. I'll click on download here and it will be downloaded for me. If you don't like any of these images or if you want to regenerate it, you can click here and have it regenerated as well. It will take 2 to 3 minutes and then it will regenerate the image for you. Provision has once again regenerated the image for us. Now whichever one you like best, you can download it. For example, I find this one better, so I'll download it. You have seen how to create an image in Hindi, and now let's try it in another language. For instance, if you have a client who speaks Punjabi and you want to create something in Punjabi, let's try that. First, we'll go back from here, and for a good prompt, we'll use multi-AI chat, then we'll select models here. GPT 5.2, and then we'll select, inside this, we'll select the Grok latest 3 models. Then we'll go back. Here, we'll enter the prompt or the text you want to add to the image, such as typography, which color you want to use, where you want to add the logo, where you want to place the photo. Basically, you set all these details here. After setting everything, we'll generate from here. I've already prepared this in advance, so I'll copy it from here and paste it here, then I'll press enter here. It has given 3 models, so it will create different variants for each of the 3 models. Whichever one we like best, we'll use that as our front. Let's check it once. I'm using the Agenda 5.21. I like this one. I'll copy it from here and then go back into our AI Studio feature. Let's go to image, select image type, and then select the model. Right now it's set to auto, so in between I'll use Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so here I need to select image size. I'll do that. In this I set it to portrait, and for quality I keep it at 2K in preset option. I'll use the reference image option here. For example, I provided a reference image that we got from multi-AI chat when we clicked the prompt. They will test it here, then we'll click on enhance prompt so that our prompt gets even better and the quality of our image improves. So I click on enhance prompt. Our problem is solved. Now let's select the variant. For example, I've selected one model, so here there's one variant, so it will give only one. If I set it to 2 here, it will generate the image in 2 variants. If I set it to 3, it will generate the image in 3 variants. So for testing, I'll select 3 here and then press enter. It will take a little time, about 2 to 3 minutes. We have 3 variants, whatever images we were creating earlier. Whatever you wrote in the prompt, we got results accordingly. If you want to change anything in this image, if you're having any issues with the text, or if there is any mistake, you can edit the text here. By clicking here, you can edit whatever you need to, and then click on check to save it. From here, you can download it directly. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next video.